Local kids. Hello children, how are you all? So today we are going to make a rainbow out of this beautiful colorful clay balls. So these are the clay balls, colorful clay balls. Red color, then orange color, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet color. These are the colors of a rainbow. We'll make a rainbow out of these colors. For that we need this clay dough machine. We will put colorful clay dough in it and make a thick string of colors. So let's take red color first and put it inside the machine like this and press it. Let's press. Press, press, press. Come on. Yes, a big, thick thread has come. Colorful thread. Yes, it's a thick thread of red color. Next, let's cut it and place it in a half circle shape. It's a half circle. Let's cut the extra part. Yes, very nice. Now take orange color and again let's put it in the machine and press it. Yes, our orange color have come. It's such a long thread and thick thread of orange color. Very good. Now cut it. Let's put it, place it next to the red color. Press, place it. Very nice. Good job. Yes. Now let's take yellow color and put it in the machine and then press it. Now we got yellow color, a long yellow color. Yes, long thread of yellow color. Now cut it and let's put it a little bit more and then place this yellow color just next to the orange color like this. Very good. Now let's take green color. Very good. Now press it. We get this green color and then put it just next to the yellow color. Well done, and cut the extra part. Next we'll take blue color and put it in the machine and press it. Very good. Now we get this blue color. Very nice blue color. Isn't it satisfying? Yes. Now cut it and put the blue color just next to the green color and cut the extra part. Next is indigo. Our rainbow is about to complete. Next is indigo, long indigo thread. Indigo color and place it just next to blue color and cut the extra part. And we take violet color. Next, place the violet color in the machine and we get a long thread of violet color, which is the last color of the rainbow. Yes, now cut and place it just next to the indigo color and cut the extra part. Now we got this rainbow, beautiful rainbow. Now we'll make cloud out of this white color. One cloud for this portion and next one we'll put here. We will take one cloud and roll it and press it to make a flat surface, and then cut the extra part and give it a shape of a cloud, white cloud. Yes, isn't it looking amazing? Children, very nice. So let's take the extra part and place this cloud on this area of the rainbow next, and repeat the process with this Play-Doh again. Yes, roll it, press it, flatten it, and cut it into the shape of a cloud, a random cloud. And then after that we'll take the extra portion of the clay dough and we get this beautiful cloud and put it here. We got a very beautiful rainbow. And now guess what we are going to do with these noodles, colorful noodles. This is red noodle, yellow noodles, and blue noodles. What we are going to do with these colorful noodles? Can you guess? Correct. We are going to write name. We are going to write rainbow, spelling of the rainbow. This is blue color, yellow color noodles, and red color clay noodles. Now let's start. R for rainbow. R A then I N. Let's make N. B. O. W. Rainbow. W. Good job, kiddos. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. We made a rainbow.